Hello, I'm Dr. Bryan Hulsey, and I'm a chiropractic physician in the state of Oregon. I've been in practice in the Portland area since 2003, and I am the founder of Foundations Chiropractic and Functional Medicine in Lake Oswego, Oregon, as well as the founder of the website www.foundationsbbt.com. I'm here to talk to you about your chronic condition, and that could be some of the reason why you're visiting our website today. It could be due to frustration with your current treatment or not improving with what you've done so far. So you're visiting or have requested information because of you or a loved one is suffering from a chronic condition. I want you to know that there is hope. And with that hope and knowing that there is hope, we will do everything we can and leave no stone unturned to improve your health and get your life back. So what makes us different from every office that you've seen so far? We treat patients both metabolically and neurologically. With metabolic treatment, what we need to look at is first food sensitivities. With food sensitivities, we're looking at gluten, a protein that's found in wheat, rye, barley, spelt, oats, and potentially other grains to some extent, as well as sensitivities to dairy, eggs, and soy. Now with these sensitivities, we can have increased inflammation in the brain as well as throughout the body. So if the brain's not functioning correctly, that could give some of the reason why the rest of the body is not functioning correctly. We're also going to look at a complete blood panel. With the blood work that we do, we need to look at the extensive thyroid panel, vitamin D, CBC, or complete blood count, including white blood cell differential, a comprehensive metabolic profile, including liver enzymes, kidney enzymes. We want to see how your gut's functioning, as well as if you're processing protein well, which is part of what we take in our diet. The reason why we need to check into all of this is so that we can help your body heal the way it should. So if there's anything that's holding up from your body healing, we'll definitely see in our testing. Another reason to do this is that we see what blood sugar levels may be. Blood sugar is one of the fuels needed for all cell function, but namely the brain and nervous system, because the brain and nervous system is so metabolically active. It uses roughly 30% of the fuel that we take in a day. So again, fuel comes from blood sugar, a steady stream of blood sugar throughout the day, as well as oxygen from the air that we breathe. So oxygen delivery to cells can be limited if there's any anemia or decreased red blood cell production. That is going to impact how the brain is functioning, as well as how the body's functioning. More tests that we do include an adrenal stress index. We need to see how your body responds to stress and if it's responding abnormally at different times throughout the day. This could be a brain issue, as well as it could be just general stress. So stress can be defined as any change from normal physiology. If we have a stressor in our body, either emotional or chemical or physical, that is definitely going to impact how the adrenal system works, which can impact blood sugar, which can impact liver function, gut function, brain function. So all these can be impacted by the adrenal system. We also look at gut microbiology. So when I say this, we need to look at the bacteria, good and bad, of the gut, yeast, and parasites that might be in the gut. So again, we go back to the idea of inflammation, similar to food. This can drastically impact brain function as well as overall body function. And we're also going to do a hormone panel depending on male or female, menopausal, perimenopausal, menstruating, so that those things that definitely can wreak havoc on body function and brain function. So also we look at the neurologic system. So the neurologic system is your brain and nervous system. So again, your brain is very needy and greedy, taking up to 30% of the fuel that we use in a day. So if there's an issue with fuel or metabolism, how we break down food into energy, that can definitely impact brain function. Now we need to see where the brain is going haywire, or if the nervous system is going haywire. So with this, we do a thorough neurologic exam to see your different senses, see how your different senses are working, with vision, with smell, with vibration sense, how you perceive your joints are moving, how your brain is coordinating movement through your cerebellum. So all of those are hugely important with brain health. So we can pinpoint, identify your particular region that may need help through metabolic testing as well as neurologic testing. So for treatment, again, we utilize specific neurological and metabolic protocols. Now these protocols are going to vary depending on your particular issues that come up with particular testing. So if meaning that your treatment plan may not be the same as another patient with the same particular condition. So we don't treat the condition name, we don't treat the diagnosis, we treat the patient and their physiology. So I want you to ask yourself a few questions here. How has your condition impacted your life? Has it impacted your relationships, your finances, your family, or other activities? Has it impacted sleep? Has it affected your time? Has it affected money? What has it cost you there? Now, where do you picture yourself in the next few years if you don't change things now? Or if this isn't taken care of soon? And what is it worth to you if you knew that somebody can help improve your condition? Again, I want to let you know that there is hope. And here at Foundations Chiropractic, we treat metabolically and neurologically and consult with 500 doctors nationwide. So if we have an issue with your particular case, I can consult with them and know within that week or usually that day of another approach to use with you. But again, ask yourself those questions, see how much is it worth to you to improve your life, and know that somebody can help you. So please don't hesitate. If you're viewing this website or viewing this DVD, please pass it on to family and friends that may be suffering with chronic conditions. Again, diabetes, thyroid, fibromyalgia, chronic pain, childhood neurologic disorders, autoimmune conditions, Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, IBS, the list goes on and on. These are all things that we can help. Please, if you want, we have testimonials available on our website, www.foundationsbbt.com. Please, don't hesitate anymore. Get your life back. Do something today. Call us, 503-349-3024, to schedule a consultation today.